Mtetezi, and today is a very important day to us as members of this public, members of the people of this nation. Mtetezi is a group that emphasizes on anywhere there is violation of human rights, public petitions, and any violations of human rights. 3 days ago, we were here trying to express ourselves and exercising Article 37 of the Constitution of this nation. After addressing the media, I was attacked at the Nation Media House 30 minutes later, and I was admitted in Karen, and I was discharged yesterday. And today, I felt it's very important to continue with the struggle, because I always say one thing: I would rather die today or now rather than watch my kids suffering for what I could have done when I had a chance to. I remember back in 2017 when we were arrested because of Raila Amolo Odinga, and when we were at Central Police Station, after kutoka kwa cell, you know what does happen, finyo and all those kind of things. And I asked Raila, now it's my time to resign. I don't want to continue with this movement and this issue of fighting for people's right. Raila mwenyewe akaniambia, kama ulifinywa kidogo, hata kama ulifinywa makenda yangu iliumwa. That is part of revolution. As long as you are alive, you must expect such things. Revolution huwa inaisha saa zenye mtu ameaga. But kufinywa, kupigwa, kushikwa, kuintimidatiwa, that is part of revolution. And that's why the first liberation of this nation, our forefathers, when they felt like this nation is heading towards the wrong direction, hawakuwa waoga. They decided to be bold enough and face our Zungu. And that's why we are having the freedom we have right now. When our fathers in 2010 felt like this nation was heading towards the wrong direction, they fought for it with boldness. And that's why we have Constitution 2010, and that's why we can enjoy whatever we are enjoying right now. We are not taking that for granted. But as we head for the third liberation of this nation, we are ready for anything. We are ready to be arrested. We are ready for those goons. We are ready to be maimed. And we are still ready to die for this nation. And I always say one thing again. Leo nikakufa nikifaitia rights za wananchi wa Kenya. Even my kid, where he will be, ataishi kusema baba yangu alikuwa shujaa, kwa sababu alikufa akifaitia not just my rights, but rights za Wakenya wote. And that's why kupigwa na kushonwa, it is evidently, even my face is swollen, that it happened. Walikuja na visu kwa sababu this is not a punch. Hii nilishonwa uzi 7 so that they can do whatever they did. But since because I serve a God, that's why I'm still alive and I can continue doing what is right to make sure that this nation have a positive impact and we live in a conducive environment. Today we have decided to bring a petition to court. Petition number 230 of 2026. We are trying to explain to the court that Opiyo Wandayi is unfit to hold even public office. Kwa sababu the conspiracy, sasa zenye mnaongelelea mambo ya mafuta mbaya, sisi tunaongelelea even the deal itself. Government ilikuwa imetuambia we need to have a government to government deal. But in this essence, hata hiyo mafuta kuja, it was not a government to government deal. So it means they even conspired before they even brought that bad mafuta. And that's why, even yesterday when I was holding a meeting with international media houses from the US and South Africa and Angola, I told them, I don't have a problem with salvaging the situation of this nation. My problem is you sitting down and conspiring to do what is wrong, knowing that you are doing what is wrong. The same CS ameitwa na parliament twice, amekataa kwenda. On Tuesday tutafanya mass action, tutaingia kwa barabara, na mimi naaji wa Kenya wote, kwa sababu niko double sure atajaribu kujificha ama kutafuta excuse asiende parliament. Sisi wenyewe tumtafute, tufanye public arrest, to emphasize article 1 of the constitution of this nation, tumshike, tumpeleke parliament, na tukae hapo nje ya parliament. Akimalizana na wabunge tumpeleke Central, akae huko na wenzake kama akina Kipto. This struggle is not ending right now. Lazima tuendelee nayo so that we can salvage and save this, na to save the nation. Otherwise, if we sit back, tutalia sisi wote na hatutakuwa na nchi ya kwenda. And that's why I'm saying today with a lot of respect and without contradicting myself, I'm ready to die for this nation so that my kids can have a better nation to live in. And so many people are surprised that niko hapa leo. We are trying to use diplomacy. And let me speak to President himself. We are only asking you, Mr. President, to tell your boys to follow the law, to tell your boys to follow the constitution, to tell your boys to do what is right to the people of this nation. Sisi ndio tumewaajiri kazi, na Wakenya wameniambia hawataki kuona Opiyo Wandayi akiwa CS wa energy. It is as simple as that. Kwa sababu ako unfit ku hold public office, na saa zenye mafuta ilikuwa inaingia Kenya, aliconspire na alijua mafuta mbaya inaingia, na ile contract yenye ilileta hiyo mafuta mbaya haikuwa contract yenye ilikuwa inafaa kufanyika. And as we move forward, hizo contract zilikuwa 4. There are still 3 more zenye zinakuja. So hatujui kama mafuta yenye inakuja ni mbaya, hatujui hiyo contract inakaa aje. And that's why we are trying to tell you, Mr. President, try to follow the law. Let your boys follow the law so that we can avoid losing lives. I can remind you on 2024, sasa zenye nilipeleka petition parliament, I said we are giving you people 7 days mlete finance bill ya Wakenya wa kawaida. Hamkunisikia. Tukarudi kwa barabara and whatever happened. On Tuesday lazima wanaume waonane. Lazima sisi kama Wakenya tutokee to emphasize what is right and what we believe is right. We shall follow the constitution and we shall following the law. Na leo pia na serve Inspector General of Police na Regional Commander. Hii anaje kidogo ya kukuja kuserve notice ya maandamano hatuna. And that's why leo nimeamua kuongelesha wanahabari, tukwambia Tuesday tunataka polisi wa kutosha, ndio tuweze kuzunguka tukitafuta Opiyo mahali yuko, tumtafuta parliament. In case he find his ways there, tutaenda parliament kukaa hapo, tumalizane na hao hiyo siku, na mambo ya Opiyo tumalizane nayo on Tuesday. Asanteni sana. Mungu abariki Kenya na Mungu abariki wote. Asanteni.